boys and girls. I am here to do some math, and today we are going to do some reviewing of a couple of different things. Okay, reviewing means it's something we've probably already practiced before or learned before, and we're going to do some more of it to make sure that we have it down really, really well. Okay, so to start today, will you please get your whiteboard, a dry erase marker, and, oh, I took mine out of the bag, but your red and yellow counters, can you get all 10 of them? You need all 10 today. Okay, so go ahead and will you go grab those things for me before we get started. You need your 10 counters and your whiteboard and marker. If you have everything and you're ready to go, then let's get started. Boys and girls, the first thing we're going to talk today about is May and Kay. I'd like you to meet them. They are twins, and May and Kay have the same of everything. So if May has it, then Kay has the same amount, okay? So if I told you that May had 2 dolls, okay, I'm going to make a number sentence, or number bond. If May has 2 dolls, then how many does Kay have? Remember, they're twins, so they have the same of everything. Yep, so she would also have 2. If May has 4 stuffed animals, how many stuffed animals does Kay have? 4, yes. So, boys and girls, the question here is, and I'm going to put a D for dolls up here, and an A for stuffed animals up there. If I were to ask you, boys and girls, write me a number sentence to show how many dolls the twins have and how many stuffed animals the twins have. Could you do that for me? Let's start with dolls. Can you write a number sentence to show how many dolls they have all together? What do you think? If I want to put these 2 parts together, I'm going to use the adding symbol, right? 2 plus 2 equals what? Ooh, those are those doubles. Doubles. 2 and 2 are the same, so that makes it a double. And 2 and 2 together make 4. Good job. All right, now what about their stuffed animals? They have 4 and 4 for their stuffed animals, right? Go ahead and write your number sentence to show how many stuffed animals they have all together. If you wrote 4 plus 4 equals 8, you got it. They have 4 dolls in all and 8 stuffed animals in all. Great work! That was good review of those doubles problems. So, speaking of doubles, let's go over those again. And I want you to write them all down with me, okay? So we had 1 and 1, right? 1 plus 1 equals, go ahead and write that with me. Two, right? And I had 1 and 1, now I have 2 and 2. We just talked about that with the dolls. There were 4 altogether. 2 and 2 make 4. Good. Now we have 3. 3 and 3 gives us what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Nice work. I'm going to use the other side over here. Next is 4 and 4, right? Think of that spider. 4 legs on each side. A spider has 8 legs together. And then the last one is 5 and 5. And that equals 10. Good job. So let's read them together. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 4 plus 4 equals 8. And 5 plus 5 equals 10. Woo! Good job reviewing those doubles. All right, ready for our next activity today? Now, tell me, boys and girls, please tell me you remember your very best friend when it comes to math. Your very best friend in math is your friend, the 10, right? We have 10 counters here. Make sure you have 10 counters. We're going to play something called Shake Those Discs. Okay, and I'm going to play it with you for maybe 2 or 3 rounds, and then I want you to play with yourself for a while. Or you could even get a sibling or a mom or a dad or a grandma to play with you. Okay? So remember, we have played Shake Those Discs before. What we do is we shake the discs and we let them all go. Okay? What we're trying to find is ways to make how many? How many discs do we have today? 10. Good job. So you can write a number bond with the number 10 in it, because we know that's going to be our whole number no matter what. And then down here, you can also write a little number sentence template with me. Something plus something equals, what's it going to equal? Your friend, the 10. Good. All right, let's play. I have my first roll. There they go. I drop them nice and gently because they still kind of fly everywhere even when I drop them gently. So I look at my red and I look at my yellow and look what I got. What pair of 10 did I get today? 5 and 5. So 5 plus 5 equals 10. Do you see I said it twice? By saying it twice, that gives my brain twice the opportunities to remember this forever and ever, because the better I can remember these ways to make 10, the easier my math will be later in first grade and in second grade and the rest of my whole life. Trust me. Okay? All right, let's see here. I'm going to pick my chips all back up. If you have a cup, like a paper or plastic cup, boys and girls, instead of your hands that you want to put your discs in and then you just gently dump them out, that's a great way too if your hands are a little small to fit all 10 discs in them. Okay, I'm going to shake, shake, shake. Let's see what I get this time. Here are my yellow and a whole bunch of red. When I'm lining up my red, since I have more than 5, I'm going to make a row of 5 and then start a new row. It's much easier to tell how many. Now I see I have 3 yellow and 5, 6, 7 red ones. So 3 and 7 make 10. Now I'm going to put it into my number sentence and say it again. 3 plus 7 equals 10. Good. All right, I'm going to do one more round with you, and then I want you to keep going on your own for a while. Okay. All right, let's see what way I can make 10 this time. Whoa! Chips everywhere, and I barely even dropped them. All right, let's see now. Oh boy, look at all my yellows. So I'm going to make sure I use rows of 5 so that they look nice and neat and they're easy for me to read, and there are my red ones. All right, let's get my eraser here. And now I see 5, 6, 7, 8 yellow and 1, 2 red. 8 and 2 make 10. And so my number sentence will say 8 plus 2 equals 10. And I say it to myself twice, boys and girls, remember, because it's so much more important that it sticks in your brain. If I just say, oh, 8 and 2, yeah, okay. Keep it going, Mrs. Garris. Erase, let's do another one. It's not really helping your brain remember. So by saying 8 and 2 make 10, and then saying it again for my number sentence, 8 plus 2 equals 10, I'm telling you, your brain will do a much better job of remembering it. Now, first grader, I want you to do this 5 more times on your own. My video is going to end, but I want you to do Shake Those Discs 5 more times. See if you can get all the ways to make 10. All right? And then once you're finished, head to Seesaw when you're ready to finish your math activities for the day. I will talk to you tomorrow.